Team 123 International presents Rank Up Roadmap V1 to V3 Supercharged. Your team, 6 leaders. Your role, register and activate the 6 leaders. Mentor, guide, and share all you need to share about our platform. The 6 leaders role, each leader get a team of 5 leaders. Mentor, guide, and share all we need to share about our platform. The 5 leaders role, each leader get a team of 3 leaders. Mentor, guide, and share all we need to share about our platform. Total members upon successfully completing this process, 136 activated. Stick to this process without compromise, and you will rank up to V3 when the process is complete. We need to be the examples. If we cannot even excite 6 buddies to join us and mentor, guide, and share all that we need to share about our platform, we cannot place the burden on others to do it for us. However, if you become a master of this process and guide your teams accordingly, keep it simple. Do not overthink, as analysis causes paralysis. Once your teammates can duplicate, then exponential growth will be inevitable. Let's journey together. Remember, it is not the mountains we are going to climb that will wear us down. It is the pebbles in our shoes. See you at the next level. Stay blessed.